All right, what's up, guys? Day 2 of 98 of Shoot Your Bow Every Day until October 1st, which is opening day of bow season here in Mississippi. Today, I'm stretching out a little different. We're running this custom-made longbow. Give you a quick little look at these cool little tassels on it. Saying was left to me when my granddad passed away. It's a really beautiful bow. Oh, it's been a minute. Whew. Bada bang, bada boom, you're strong. Been a minute, man. Shoot. Just the whole target. Okay. Thing. So I've missed all those shots. I'm not going to shoot this last one. I'm going to get closer. Then I'm going to go pick up the compound, shoot it there as I have. Kind of feeling a little defeated, but that's why we start at 100 days. That's nice too.